everyone. The analyst US inflation is sticky at 8.2%. What's next for Bitcoin? Inflation declined by 10 basis points in September, the latest consumer price index print has relevant. US inflation declined from 8.3% to 8.2% on a yearly basis in September. Although the consumer price index fell by 10 basis points, the decline was less than economists' expectations. As inflation is still high and the economy is in crisis mode, the Fed is likely to continue hiking interest rates, which suggests crypto will continue to suffer. US inflation hits 8.2%. US inflation keeps falling, but it's still running harder than the Federal Reserve would like. The Bureau of Labor Statistics dropped the last consumer price index report Tuesday, showing that inflation cooled by 10 basis points in September. The price of goods rises by 8.2% on a yearly basis last month, falling higher than economists' broad expectation of an 8.1% reading. On a monthly basis, the CPI rose by 0.4%. Despite coming in higher than expected, today's print is the third consecutive monthly decline in US inflation, following a 40-year recording high reading of 9.1% in June 2022. Although the last few CPI prints have indicated that inflation may have peaked, markets reacted negatively to today's reading. Major US stock indices like the Dow Jones and Nasdaq 100 plummeted in pre-market trading, while the crypto market also saw a sharp decline. Bitcoin is down over 4%, while the second largest cryptocurrency, Ethereum, sold off more than 6%. Despite hopes that inflation will quickly retreat toward the Fed's 2% target, the 8.2% reading shows it's sticky and therefore could remain high for longer than expected. High inflation and slow economic growth are bad news for risk assets like crypto and the broader financial markets. Traders have been watching inflation closely this year as the numbers have a key bearing on the Federal Reserve moves. As inflation has soared, the US Central Bank has responded with an aggressive economic tightening policy, hiking interest rates to 3% to 3.15% levels not seen since the global financial crisis in 2008. Yes, that about analysis. US inflation is sticky at 8.2%. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel.